Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Razr 70 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to cover the cover screen with the applications. The cover screen on this phone is designed to be more than just notifications. You can turn it into the mini smartphone interface with the full apps actually. To do it, you need to at first open the settings. Here open the external display section, and now here scroll down to the apps section, app settings. Now as you can see, choose how you want apps to work on the external display. You can tap on some applications and then allow. You need to allow for every single application you want to have it on the back screen. Then we can switch to the back screen. Just like, wait a moment, just like that. We can unlock it, and here now we've got this display. How to enable some applications. You can add here this games widget. Wait a moment. You can open the games widget and here open the games. Apart from that, if you go back, okay, I can't go back with that one. Okay, if you go back, you can see application view list over here and many other things. So that's actually how to manage the application and allow them to work on the external display. As you can see, I didn't grant it for the Gmail, so I need to tap got it right here and allow, and now Gmail is working. I can do this with every single application which is here. Let me, for example, try it with this something friends in the games list. Okay, I can't see this here. I don't know where that is. But trust me, it works with every single one. For example, here I can go now to communications. I can go everywhere, add some applications here. For example, here recorder, and it works. Goodbye.